Hello and welcome back to Between the Keys. You're here to learn the US Top 40 in September 2024. The other day I did the first one on the list. It was Please 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 by Sabrina Carpenter. Today I'm doing number 2 on the list, which is called Good Luck Babe by Chappell Roan. So, I might be saying that wrong. Chappell Roan. Is it Roan? I'm not sure, but either way, the chords are not too difficult. It's G, A, D, B minor, and then repeat. For the pre-chorus, it basically stays on E minor. Then we go to the chorus, G, A, D, B minor again, same as the verse. So quite an easy song. I'm going to start playing now, and hopefully you're following along. So, I've got it on piano, but I will change it to synth, so that you can hear the difference between the two, because the song is really a synth song. Here's your first chord, it's G, A, D, to B minor. Again, G, it's fine, it's cool, to A. You can say that we're nothing, but you know the truth, and I guess I'm the fool. With her arms, D, out like an angel through the car sunroof. Then we go to the pre-chorus, which is E minor 9. I'll just scroll up a little. E minor 9. I don't want to call it off. Back to E minor. I'm playing it with a 7. This is the 7 in E minor. So it just kind of goes from E minor 9 to E minor. I don't want to call it off, but you don't want to call it love. You only want to be the one that I call baby, okay? Back to G. You can kiss 100 boys in bars. D. Shoot another shot, try to stop the feeling. You can say it's just the way you are. Make a new excuse, another stupid reason. Okay. And then repeat again. G. We go to the second verse, same chords again, G, A, B minor, G, A, D, and then B minor. Then back to the pre-chorus, which is think I'm going to call it off, even if you call it love. I just want to love someone who calls me baby. You could also call that chord there, it says E minor 9, right? That's the 9. You could call it actually G major 7 if the bass was G. But with the bass as E, it's E minor 9, down to E minor. Okay, now I'm going to change to the synth sound and show you how I would play it if I was playing it as a synth song. But before that, actually, I'll show you the ending of the song. There's another bridge, E minor 9 to E minor. There's another chorus. You can kiss 100 boys in bars, G to A to D. Same again, but then the outro is D to B minor. Don't have to stop the world just to stop the feeling. You'd have to stop the world just to stop. Oh, wrong bass note. Have to stop the world just to stop the feeling. Have to stop the world just to stop the feeling. Ends on a G chord. Okay, let's change to the synth and give it the bum 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 bum. So it's the same chords, but I'm just going 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 2 2 3 4 on every chord. G, A, 8 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. The arms are tucking through the car sunroof. I don't want to call it off. Apologies for not knowing the melody. I'm just here to teach you the chords. And then we go back to the verse, kiss 100 chorus. Okay. Then we'd go back to the verse, the chorus, the interlude. Back to the chorus again, and then again you have the outro. You'd have to stop the world just to stop the feeling. Have to stop the world just to stop the feeling. Have to stop the world just to stop the feeling. You have to stop the world just to stop the feeling. And that is about that for that song. So thanks for tuning in. I'm now going to look at what is number 3 on the top 40, September, USA. Let's find out what the next one is, and I'll catch you on part 3 of Learn the Top 40. Thanks for watching Between the Keys.